In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and recover projects in Canva. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or need to restore a crucial design, knowing these essential steps can save you time and stress. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva homepage and locate the project you wish to delete. Hover over the project thumbnail with your mouse. You'll see three little dots appear, typically known as the Options menu, right in the top right corner of your project preview. Click on these dots. This step unveils a drop-down menu with several choices related to your project management. From this menu, select Move to Trash. Now, you might wonder, why is this called Move to Trash instead of Delete? Well, Canva gives you the flexibility to recover any projects you may accidentally send to the trash. It's a safety net that allows for a cushion against accidental deletions. Once you've clicked Move to Trash, keep in mind that the project hasn't been permanently deleted yet. It's now located in the trash section, still recoverable. Now let's move on to recovering a project that you've previously trashed. This is especially useful if you suddenly realize you need to access a project you thought was unnecessary. You'll want to click on the trash icon, typically found in the left-hand panel of your Canva dashboard. This section holds all the items you've marked for deletion within a certain time frame. Within the trash folder, locate the project you wish to restore. Again, hover over the project. Those three little dots will appear once more. They act as a gateway to your project options. Click these dots to bring up the menu. Here, instead of moving it, you can now choose Restore. This action will reinstate your project from the trash back into your main project library or its original location, making it accessible and fully editable once more. As you navigate this process, remember that Canva keeps your trashed items for a limited period before they are permanently deleted, typically around 30 days. This time frame ensures that even if you're busy or forgetful, there's still ample opportunity to recover your projects. Ultimately, this built-in grace period and the simple steps to delete and restore can significantly contribute to a more organized and stress-free creative workflow. That's it. You've now learned how to efficiently manage your Canva projects through deletion and restoration. It's a process that combines safety with simplicity, ensuring you can maintain control over your creative outputs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.